Hello everyone. All right, let's make this a Ewedu using these two main ingredients to improvise and make this a Ewedu. Yes. Welcome back to my channel, Cecelia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be making this a Ewedu using two main ingredients. So this Ewedu you're looking at, I actually improvised. I don't have the real Ewedu leaves, but I improvised using these two main ingredients. I have the okra, I use spinach vegetable. Yes, you heard me right. And that actually gives me this ewedu, very green and very slippery that you're looking at. So if you live outside Nigeria, West Africa, or you find yourself in Nigeria and you want to eat ewedu and you don't have the leaves, the jute leaves at home, you can actually improvise and make ewedu out of these two main ingredients that I will be talking about. The first ingredient is the okra. You want to have your okra, and the second ingredient I will be using is spinach, tutu, for vegetable. You can actually use any vegetable of your choice, but I will be using spinach. So you need your okra and your vegetable to give you exactly the ewedu vibe. Yes, and this is what I'll be doing today. And I'll be taking you through each steps that I did to make this ewedu. It's actually very easy. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to know the quantity of the ewedu that you want to make. And ewedu, the jute leaves, is actually specific to the western parts of Nigeria, West Africa. The Oyo Ibadan people, they like Amala so much. And ewedu actually goes well with abula. So for me, I live outside Nigeria, West Africa, and I still want to eat Amala and have ewedu, but I couldn't lay my hand on the jute leaves ewedu. So these are the way that I do to improvise and make my ewedu. So the quantity of the vegetable I will be using determine the quantity of what I want to make. So here I have like 3/4 of the plate, a medium-sized plate, and I'll be using full plates of okra. So I pour the vegetable first and I pour the okra. The reason why I pour the vegetable first is because I don't want this to blend too much, and I added water. So putting a softer part in the blender will help to get that not to blend too much vibe, and you'll get the ewedu. Then I added water into the blender and I will be blending. Yes. And this actually will take you less than 5 minutes to make your ewedu, and boom, you can have your abula. Wherever the part of the world that you are, not finding the jute leaves should not stop you from having your amala with ewedu, the abula. And this is how I normally improvise. So you want to blend this, you don't want to blend it too much, and you want to make it look like real ewedu that even your family will not be able to tell if you're using the right jute leaves or you just improvise. And this is how I make this. I blended this, not too much, and this is what I got. Let's go now to go prepare this. And you continue to cook it like the normal way you cook your ewedu. So the next thing I did was to pour this in the pot, and this is it. You see how dry it is. So I will need to add more water because it's too thick. So this is what you will get when you blend your okra with vegetable. Yes, you heard me right. This is not real ewedu, but you can actually improvise. This is what this channel is all about, teaching you new things. So I have my seasoning, the non-chicken bouillon, and I will be adding this into this improvised Ewedu soup. I added some more to make sure it is tasty. Then the next thing I will do is to add salt. I use iodized salt, and you want to know the quantity. You don't want to add too much. So I added a little bit of the salt. And the next thing I did was to add water to make it less thickening. So I added the water using my pot filler. By the way, that is pot filler. You can have one in your house. It saves you the stress of taking pots everywhere, having the water beneath your pot. So then I mix together, and I will cook this on slow to medium heat for 5 minutes. And this is it. You can see the consistency. This is drawing very well. and this is how to do it. So while the Ewedu is cooking, I was making my Amala by the side. Anyway, I come from, originally from Ondo State, but I live in Ibadan for the most part of my life. Ibadan, or your state in Nigeria, West Africa. So I love Amala with Ewedu so much, to the extent that even the fact that I don't live in Nigeria, I still eat my Amala, Abula. So this is the Ewedu. It is done. And the next thing I did was to prepare my Amala that will go with this Ewedu. And I'll be showing you that very soon. So this is how you can make your draw Ewedu soup, even without getting the real jute leaves to prepare the Ewedu. So I made my Amala and I put it in the plate, and this is ready. And now I added the Ewedu. Can you see? Can you tell if this is the real Ewedu? So my subscriber, this is how to do it. This is how to roll. And this meal is actually healthy. You are eating balanced daily. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you try this out? Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia Ho. I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye.